Okay, guys, what are we going?
We're going through this thing we found in Missouri Trail.
And we're going in this.
Hopefully that rock doesn't fall on us.
It won't fall on us.
It better not.
But don't talk funny.
I ain't talking no funny.
Look at
It's
it.
not real wolves.
Yo, this is like a good cave with a sword.
Dominic, are you doing a country boys?
No, this not real wolves. Come
Okay.
on, let's go.
Somebody made a fire there.
Come on,
And they
let's
had,
go.
I think somebody lives there, Dominic, because they left fire for later. All right, let's go.
Come on, let's go.
Now be careful.
Well, why don't you go there? Because I'm too big. I don't think I fit in there.
Yes, you will.
All right.
You can see it.
Dominic, you dropped this thing.
I know I did.
All right, let's go, Luis. Woo-hoo-hoo. You know, at one point there was an earthquake, made the rocks open like this.
Look at rocks open.
Wait, there's an earthquake. Look at me. I'm
Yeah.
on top of you, dude.